Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a get it all done video, a little bit of everything, cleaning my dining room, mopping, laundry, decluttering, dishes, wrapping presents in the end. I'm going to put on music for most of this video, so get up, get something done. Christmas is only 5 days away, so I'm sure there is things to prep, gifts to wrap, but don't forget to take time to relax during this busy season as well. Take time for yourself, sit down, put on your favorite Christmas movie or show, and take time for yourself in this busy season as well. When I'm wrapping gifts at the end, I'm definitely watching a show on Netflix, relaxing, and getting the things done that I need to get done. I was so happy to be able to declutter a bag of clothes, baby clothes, and a few of my daughter's clothes. If you are here for the first time, I'm a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1.5-year-old. And here on my channel, I share cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. We would love to have you and inspire you along the way. I can't believe that Christmas is only 5 days away. I feel like December went so fast this year, like faster than normal. Let me know down below in the comments if you feel like December just flew by this year. Are you ready for Christmas? Just keep on going and give yourself grace in this season and take time to enjoy the little moments with your family and just enjoy the Christmas season. And don't forget to look to Jesus in this season. If you believe that Jesus is the reason for the season, definitely take time to reflect on his love and what the Christmas story is all about. But I am going to put on some music here real quick, and then I will be back in a little bit. I hope this video is motivating for you as we approach Christmas, and that you can tackle some things on your to-do list as well.
Have you seen such a beautiful sight? Everyone's feeling jolly tonight. I can't wait for that look in your eyes, feeling that fa-la-la-la, fa-la-la-la, fa-la-la-la. Can't believe that it's been a whole year. Now the day we've been waiting for's here. For one thing, it's you, dear. Bring on that everyone's counting down. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will the stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? When they're taking decorations down, tell me, babe, will you still be around? Singing that fa la la la. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts, Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again.
Christmas tree lights twinkle bright.
Laughter fills the silent night.
It's the joy this season brings.
Fills your heart and makes you sing.
Build a frosty if there's snow.
Hide your elf before you go.
Candy cane, sugar cookies.
One for you and one for me.
Jingle bells and children play. Rudolph leading Santa's sleigh. Mistletoe, here angels stay. Flowers, the gift of Christmas Day. Flowers, the gift of Christmas Day. That's right, love.
that is a wrap on this video as I finish up wrapping my kiddos' gifts. I do have a few more gifts to wrap for other family members that I did not get to in this video, but I will do that soon before Christmas. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you join me here and turn on your notifications so you know when I upload next. And come back for Vlogmas Day 21. Bye for now.